Hello students, hope that you are fine. Welcome to my geography video tutorial of 10th standard. Today I will discuss about the sugar industry second part. First part I have already discussed about that which places sugar industries are found and which states are there in short and why it is there and that why there is migrating towards the south. This part I will say that what are the problems of sugar industry. Sugar industry suffers from a number of problems in India. So what are those? Number one, we can say, although India has the largest area under the sugarcane cultivation, but the poor quality sugarcane gives low yield and low yield per hectare, and there is also low sucrose content is there. Secondly, we can say the cost of sugarcane, that whatever the production is there, sugar production, that is the highest in the world. Why? Because of this sugar transportation difficulty is also there. That's why this high sugarcane cost and uneconomic production process, or we can say that the inefficient technology, then short crushing season, etc. Because of this, that sugar industry factors faces so many problems. Number three, sugar industry has a seasonal character and crushing season normally varies between 4 to 7 months. So 4 to 7 months, that is long season, and in a year. So other time that the workers, what they will do, they have to sit only without any work. So they are going to another industries for working that they are taking at different jobs in between this season, this time. So it is one of the problem of the sugar industry. Fifth, we can say that sugarcane is harvested almost in the same time, because you see during harvesting time and there is excess pressure is getting from that the other industries. So that on the factories also. And fifth one, we can say that the supply of raw material of the sugarcane is irregular. Because of that the small cultivators who sell their crops directly to the sugar factories, that is also creating a great problem. Sixth one, farmers sell sugarcane in the factories at prices fixed by the government. So if the prices offered are not attractive, then farmers switch over to other crops. This is also one of the problem. There is no proper utilization by byproducts like molasses and bagasse. So these can be converted into other useful products to reduce the cost of production. Now let's see the centers of the sugar industry. First, see the states in which states sugar industry is found. First state is Uttar Pradesh. Second is Bihar. Third is Maharashtra, this area. After that, Punjab. Then after Punjab, directly come to Tamil Nadu. Here, Tamil Nadu. Just beside Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, and Odisha. Here, Odisha. And then at last we will go this Maharashtra. Madhya Pradesh here. Now, in this state, which places we are found, that one you see. Uttar Pradesh, you know, this is the eastern side, this is the western side. So, Uttar Pradesh belt we have divided into two parts. Eastern side and western side, what we will see that one you listen. Eastern side, western side means this side, this western side. The places include Meerut, Bijnor, Saharanpur, Muzaffarnagar, etc. Now, in the eastern side of Uttar Pradesh, there we have found that is Gorakhpur, Deoria, Basti, these places. Next come that Bihar. In between Bihar you see from Uttar Pradesh, if you will come little bit this side, that then we are getting that the Bihar. So in Bihar, Darbhanga, Saran, Champaran, Muzaffarpur is the main places wherever sugarcane is found. After that come Maharashtra. Maharashtra, Nasik, Pune, Satara, Kolhapur, Solapur are the main centers of sugarcane industries. Next, Punjab. This side, Punjab. In Punjab, the centers mainly the eastern side, that is Dhuri. And Karnataka, places you see, Karnataka, here, this place, Karnataka, this is in this place what we have got, that is Simoga and Mandyaka. And Tamil Nadu, this place is Tamil Nadu. In this place, Tamil Nadu, what we are getting, that only very Coimbatore, then Pugular, these are the main places. Andhra Pradesh, here you see, Andhra Pradesh just above that is Nizamabad, Medak, and East Godavari places, Visakhapatnam, these places are the main centers of sugarcane industry. And Madhya Pradesh, here you see, this is the Madhya Pradesh, here this place, this places mainly, that is that Shehor is the main sugar producing center of Madhya Pradesh. So in this way we have seen almost that northern side and southern side, maximum part there is sugar industries are found. So hope that it will helpful for you to understand the sugarcane industry and sugar industry. So as there is some problems are there, we have to, if we will, government will take action to reduce the cost, or that to take the preparation byproducts. If we will increase the byproducts uses, then it will be helpful for the sugar industry. Thank you.